Hey friends, welcome to our channel Nepal Online Academy. In this channel, our objective is to build subject knowledge and help you solve queries about the subject. You can access your queries and questions through the comment below, and you can also join our Facebook group. The link is in the description box. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We also have practice questions at the end of the video. You can pause the video and solve them and check your answers with the answers in the comment. In the coming days. Today, our first topic is number system. Though this topic is a very basic topic in mathematics, but still many people, either they are in the secondary level, lower secondary level, or even in the bachelor or masters, they find it difficult. So in this video we are going to give you a short description about number system. I hope you find it helpful. So what is a number system? In the number system, we study numbers and how do we arrange those numbers. Okay, while we go on to deep, we understand from the basic. The first thing that comes to our mind is what is natural number. Okay, so what is natural number? Basically, the counting number is a natural number. So when you count the number of students in a class, you start at 1, 2, 3, 4, and you go on to 10, to 11, 17, 20, right? You go on. So this is a natural number. So mind it that the natural number is the counting number, and it goes on as you count, right? So it's a very practical. When you count up number of students in a class, you don't have anything between 4 and 5, right? So either it's 4 or it's 5. There is nothing between it. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, and okay, it goes on, right? So it can go up to the infinite. Okay, so after that, what is, we have whole number. We have here whole number. So what is whole number? As I said, in the natural number we start with 1, 2, 3, but we also have something called 0. So when you start with 0 and 1, 2, 3, okay, so this is a whole number. Okay, I hope you understand this. This is very easy. And after this we have something called integer. Okay, till now we're talking about the only positive part. Okay, but we also have something called negative numbers, right? So positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0, they all form to be integers. Okay, so we have a 0 in the middle. So we have here 1, 2, 3, dot, right? And here before 0 we have something called -1, and before -1 we have -2, -3. So it goes like this. So all this number, all these integers, so we have here, as I say, this is a positive integer, this part is negative integers, and this is here this is 0. So this is called integers. Okay, but in the integers we do not have anything between 1 and 2. We do not have anything between 10 and 11. But if I ask you, what is your height? Your height may not be 5 or 6 precise. I mean, you can say that your height is 5.5. You may say that your weight is 73.29, right? 73.29 kg. So the number that we have is always not in the integers, right? So when you even go to the supermarket, price are not always in the integers. So they can be expressed something as $212.56. Okay, so what is this? This is not an integer, but this is where we have a decimal, and this system is called real number. Okay, real number is anything, something called that is real. Okay, that can be either, it can be minus 319.87, or you can write at 332.67894. It can go on and on, right? There is no limit of how many digits you write, either before 0 or either before decimal or after decimal. Okay, so the real number are the every numbers, right? So basically, when we start here the number line system, as we can see, this is a 0, right? Okay, you have here 1, 2, 3, right? So in this case here we use only 1, 2, 3, but when we have a real number system, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, okay, this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. So when we have a real number system, and the point can be anywhere, right? The point can be anywhere. The point can be here, or the point can be here, or the point can be here. Okay, let me also tell you that apart from the real number, we also have something called imaginary numbers. Okay, but because this is something very basic classes of mathematics, I am not going to talk about imaginary numbers. Okay, if you want to know more, I can make a separate video about imaginary numbers. Okay, in integers we have even and odd number. Okay, so what are even numbers? Even number is any number, right? Any number that has a pair actually. So suppose if any number that can be arranged in a form of pair. Okay, suppose 4, if I write as a 4, I can write it as 1, 2, this is pair. Okay, and 1, 2, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is a pair, right? But if I write as a 7, I cannot write it as, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 1, 7. So that means the last part is not, it doesn't have any friend with it. So that means 4 is even number. Okay, and 7 is odd number. Okay, so we can also write here the number systems to know either a number is even or odd. It is very easy. Okay, so here we have 10 digits, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, even number, odd number. Okay, so 0, it has nothing, so it can be said as even number, because when we write 10, it is even. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so these are even number. When I write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd number. Okay, they are odd digit, or you can say, okay, they are odd number. So after this, suppose you see any number 769. So how do you know it is an even number or odd number? You look at the last digit of the number. So the last digit of the number is 9. Okay, so what is a 9? 9 is odd digit. Okay, so that means this is odd number. Okay, and if I write 1782, so what is this? As you can see here, the last digit is 2. Okay, so then this is, as you can see, that 2 is an even digit, so I can write it as a even number. So once again, what is even number? Even number is the number that can be represented in a form of pairs. It's called even number. and the number that is not even number is an odd number. Okay, so after this we will talk about a little about prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, before that I want to just test test a little bit about your knowledge, either you understand about even number or odd number. Okay, so what is 1782? Okay, is it even number or odd number? Okay, you can and what is 879? Is it even or odd? And what is minus 967? Is it even number or odd number? Okay, I'm going to put a number over here, put a question number here. So one, okay, A, B, C, 1A, 1B, 1C. Okay, just pause the video and try to answer whether the number is even or odd. I will give you 5. Right. Just pause the video and try to solve it, and once you are done, you can check the answer. Okay, 1782 is even because the last digit is 2 and it is even. 879 is odd number because the last digit is 9 and it is odd number. Okay, and 900 minus 967, don't be confused here. Just look at the first 967. So it is, yeah, the last digit is 7, that means it is odd, So if you write, either you put minus or plus, it doesn't matter in the case of finding even and odd number, so it is an odd number. Okay, so I hope you could solve this answer. I hope you could solve these questions. If there were any difficulties, kindly rewind the videos once again and try to understand the concept. Okay, the next topic I'm going is prime numbers, right? Prime numbers and composite number. So what is prime number? If a number has only two factors, right? Only two factors. That means if a number is divided by only two numbers, then the number is prime number. What are the numbers? 1 and the number itself. So what is a composite number? If any number has more than two factors, then the number is a composite number. That means after the 1 and between the 1 and the number itself, there are one or more other factors. Okay, so suppose I will tell you about 2. What is 2? Which number can be divided by 2? 1, yes, 1 2 is 2 and 2 1 is 2. So that means it is a prime number. So 3, 1, yes, 1 3 is 3 and 2, no, we cannot divide by 2. We cannot divide by 2. So 3, yes, 3 1 is 3, yes, that means this is a prime number. 4, yes, we can 4 is 4, 2 2 is 4 and 3 we cannot divide, and 4. So that means 4 1 is 4. That means how many factors we have here? 3 factors, right? We can be divided by 3 numbers. That means this is not a prime number and 4 is a composite number, right? The 4 is a composite number. So this goes on and on, right? Suppose you can check 100 is a prime number or composite number? 100 has more than two factors. 100 has more than two factors. So to know whether the number is a prime number or not, we do not need to know how many factors does it have. So we can simply say that 100 is not a prime number and it is a composite number. Okay, so 100 is a composite number. So let me tell you a trick. Suppose, as I taught you just recently about an even number, right? Apart from 2, suppose any even number, 4, 8, or maybe 16, or 22, or maybe 196, these are all divided by 2, right? They are all divided by 2. So, no, only 2 is the even number that is a prime number. Okay, so if you see any number, any even number, that is, suppose I can also write 6782. This number is even because it has a digit 2, the last digit is 2, that means it is not a prime number and it is a composite number. Okay, so the next thing is, what is 1? Because 1 has only one factor, that is 1. Okay, that means the 1 is neither, 1 is nor prime nor composite. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, we have a few more things to tell. I am going to tell you something more about square number. I hope, do you know the square number? Okay, what is square number? If any number has a multiple, okay, so what is square number? Suppose if a number when multiplying by itself gets a number, then it is a square number, right? Suppose if a number when multiplies itself, then the product is square number. Suppose I will write a 1 1s are 1, right? Okay, this will be only in the case of integers. Okay, this will be only in the case of integers. So I can also find 1.2 into 1.2, so this is called 1.44, but this is not a square number. Okay, not a square number. So what is the next square number? 2 2s are 4, right? 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Okay, 1 9 4 16. Suppose they are a square number. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Okay, 100 is a square number. I hope you find this video helpful. Even though this is a very basic course, we did this video because we want you to understand about the number system. So here are a few exercises I want to give you. So please do solve these exercises and we have a few exercises now. Please solve them and answer your answers in the comment box. Okay, answer these questions. We have a few exercises here. Answer those questions and put down your answers in the comment box, and you can match your answer with your friend. In the first exercises was even and odd, so I will tell you whether 1468, can you tell me either it is a prime number or composite number? Okay, and this is the 2a, and second b is 1. Okay, I will just write here 13. Is it a prime number or composite number? Okay, and I will also give you one more question. 986, it is a prime number or composite number? I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to share with your friends. We will come back with some more videos that will be helpful for you. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.